Hello, this is Jared Stallings, and this is another one of my programming 2 projects that I did in class. Basically, this program was to create an array of 16 rows, and the numbers range from 0 to 120. We had to first show an array that's not sorted, and then ask the user a few options. Do they want to sort it? Do they want to find if a number is in the array as well? I'm going to quickly go through this and show you the header file. So here it is. Here's the header file, and we are prototyping for the array, the initial parameters, these also don't return anything, the printing of the array, and the sorting of the array. This is searching, and they are returning variables. So you have an integer called binary search. It takes in the integers in the array, an integer and an integer. So let's go to the array.cpp file, and this is the function for the initial array. We basically create a list of random numbers and put it in each row of the array of 16. Printing 2 parameters, so it takes the number and the size of the array, so 16 and the random numbers up here. This is the comments pretty much say as well a lot to sorting of the array. Basically, we have a nested 2 for loops, I and j, and basically if the previous number is bigger, what we're going to do is put that into a variable called value and make that the bigger value. Binary search function here. And the linear search function, which does return found, which means that the number that they've searched is found. Alright, now here's the main program. So like I said, we have an array of 16 rows and numbers that range from 0 to 127 only. So this makes the array, this sorts the array to character. This is the value of the array. And we want to set sorted to false so that we can call on the sort function if the user wants to do that. So while not sorted, we're going to show you what would you like to do. Would you like to sort it first, yes or no? And if no, then you are asked what number would you like to find, and it sees if sorted was true, but you have to set it to true because you can't do a binary search unless the array has been sorted. Then if sorted as false, we will sort it. So I'll quickly show you what this looks like. So like I said here, we have random numbers in the array. We show each number. The array, of course, starts at 0. So, like I said, it asks, what would you like to do? No, what would you like to sort this data? And let's say yes. So now 5, 11, it's been sorted compared to beforehand over here. And what would you like to do? Would you like to sort this? We're going to say no this time. And what number would you like to find? Let's find 11. Your number is the second item in the array, which is data array 1. So it's the second item, but because we started at 0, it is at the data array is 1, but it is in the second row. So let's try it again. Find another number that's not on there. So let's say 31. Your number isn't in this list, and yeah. So that's essentially what it does, and I thank you guys for taking your time to look. Have a good one.